Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts. If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.
Lesson Chinese Cinderella. Author Adeline Yen Mah. Chinese Cinderella is an autobiography written by Adeline Yen Mah. The book tells the real-life story of Adeline's childhood in China and how she suffered from neglect and loneliness in her family. Adeline was born in a rich Chinese family, but her mother died soon after giving birth to her. Because of this, her family believed she brought bad luck. Her father later married a woman who became Adeline's stepmother, also called Niang. Niang disliked Adeline and treated her very badly. Adeline's siblings also ignored her and made her feel unwanted. Adeline was sent to boarding schools where she felt lonely and homesick. However, she was a very intelligent and hard-working student. She loved reading and writing, and she always tried to do well in her studies. Education became her only hope to escape from her unhappy family life. In the story, Adeline describes how her stepmother favored her own children and punished Adeline for small mistakes. Adeline felt like a servant in her own house. She had no one to support her emotionally, but she never gave up. She believed that success in studies would give her freedom and respect. Despite all the difficulties, Adeline continued to study hard and dream of a better life. Her determination and courage helped her overcome her painful childhood. Finally, she grew up to become a successful doctor and writer. The story shows the importance of perseverance, self-confidence, and education. It teaches that even in difficult situations, a person can rise and succeed through hard work and hope.